You've definitely seen this on Instagram before. Some guru showing off some complex N8N automation with nodes and wires connecting to each other. And then he tells you that he's selling it to a local dentist for $5,000. And then they hit you with the pitch. Just grab my template, copy and paste it, and start making 10K per month yourself. It sounds incredible and it sounds super easy, but it's complete BS. Here's the reality. I have sold these exact systems, honestly, even more complicated, and I've delivered real results to real clients. And it is way more complicated than these gurus want you to believe. You can't just copy a template, paste it into someone's business, and expect them to hand you $5,000 over just like that. Because here's what they're not telling you. The actual development requires serious technical skills. They love to say, you don't need to code, it's no code, just use N8N templates. But that's only half true, because sure, N8N itself is a no-code platform. But when you click into each of these nodes, you need to have a deep understanding of APIs, integrations, and actually creating accurate JSON structures and other pieces of technical coding information that you need to know so that this N8N template actually turns into a custom solution that drives serious value for a business. And if you don't have that technical background, you're gonna hit a wall fast. And even if you do have these skills, you're gonna face an even bigger problem. You will drown in fulfillment. You're gonna be spending 20, 30, 40 hours trying to build these custom systems, bug these stupid API calls, just to come up with a product that they can't really justify because it saves time. The point of building a business is to have time freedom, location freedom, and to work on your own means. You're just building a glorified tech job. But don't worry, there's hope, because there is a better way to sell AI solutions to business owners that doesn't require hours and hours of implementation, doesn't require technical skills, and actually drives an ROI and value to businesses, so you're not just selling them some random fluff. And if you stick with me till the end of this video, you are going to know the exact solution, why businesses care so much about this solution, how to actually package the solution and deliver it to clients in a way that drives them business value and doesn't take hours out of your day. So without wasting more time, let's get into it. All right, so first I want to talk about the actual world and space that we're seeing on social media, where people are showing you this super beautiful, complex automation and say that you can sell it to people without any skills or coding, just copy and paste it. You know, it's all nonsense, right? So the biggest issue here is the N8N trap, and that's what I like to call it. It's when your expertise, sometimes, if you have the expertise, actually becomes a liability. You hop on a Zoom call, genuinely excited to show off your masterpiece. You share your screen revealing a beautiful sprawling N8N canvas, a web of nodes, conditional logic, and API calls that you've spent days perfecting if you even got that far. The thing is that it's powerful, efficient, and it will transform this client's business. But then you see it. Their eyes are glazing over. That polite but strained smile. That moment you said webhook trigger or JSON parsing and you lost them. You're pretty much explaining the genius of the engine to someone who just wants to drive the car. And the biggest problem with this is if you don't even get to the stage of closing a client and you're on a sales call, this exact thing can occur where you are talking about some complex solution to the point where they just pretty much don't even want to work with you or pay you because they think it's too complex. And so I like to call this the N8N trap. And it's a trap that a lot of people in this world of AI business and make money online are getting stuck into because they don't actually understand what it takes to sell a complex AI solution. But the reality is there's much easier solutions you can sell with AI without needing to know all of this. And the problem is actually a lot deeper than just getting a client in the first place. It's endless education calls, right? You can build a system and deliver it. But the reason that I stopped doing all of this is because of these three things. The first one being endless education calls, right? You spend hours doing free consulting, explaining concepts instead of closing more deals. Your time ends up becoming your biggest expense. That's the entire reason you want to build a business, is to eliminate time from money, right? You want to scale the amount of money you make using the same 24 hours you have in a day. But selling these types of solutions, it's very difficult to get to that point, if at all. The second one is ghosted proposals. You're building custom N8N systems and whatever it may be. And people will tell you that you can just copy and paste the AI receptionist template or some nonsense. But you are going to have to build proposals and templates for these people and demos for them to actually understand what you're building. It's too complex. And so you pour your heart into detailed proposals that just disappear into a black hole. No response, no feedback, just silence. And I have personally experienced this. Yes, I've had deals go through that were multiple four figures, but at the same time, I've also had several deals not go through and just get ghosted because they didn't understand it or care about the value and it wasn't a priority. The third thing is the price only competition, because when clients don't grasp the value, they can only compare to cost, right? And there are so many people selling these cheap solutions on Fiverr and freelance platforms that end up looking like the better opportunity because you're selling a template that anyone can just copy and paste. So when a client doesn't understand the value, they can only focus on price. So you become a commodity instead of a strategic partner generating an ROI. That is why you need to be building an AI avatar agency instead. The reason I say this is because it's simple, it's visual, and it sells. So you don't need to go into building complex tools or custom coding. You can use a truly no-code solution in the world of AI because everyone wants AI. Everyone wants to hop onto the AI wave and make money with it. But there's a whole side of AI in the world of AI video and AI avatars that no one is tapping into because they think N8N and make.com and AI automations are actually the future. When in reality, this is an extremely untapped side of the AI world. I pretty much stopped selling N8N solutions or N8N agents or make.com or automations and started selling AI avatars instead. It's a super simple, tangible, ROI-driven solution. It's a face, a voice, and a personality designed to replace the business owner's need to be in content and marketing. And everyone knows that nowadays, to survive as a business, you need to have content. You need to have a digital presence. So the old pitch becomes, let me show you this N8N workflow that saves you hours of time automating manual tasks. No one cares. Like, genuinely, no one cares. They cannot justify paying you money in exchange for time. That is a very sophisticated transfer. But most business owners can understand meeting your new 24/7 AI avatar that makes lead generating content for you without needing to be in front of a camera all day. You're receiving money in exchange for making money. So a client pays you and gets money back, right? It's money for money. It's a lot simpler of a transaction to understand. The reason why this connected for me personally and why this solution is so powerful is because it's automated content creation. Clients immediately grasp that it's an AI handling social media content, just like a human creator or themselves, but automated. You don't need some complex technical explanation or a detailed demo or proposal for it to make sense to someone. It has a clear ROI focus, right? The conversation shifts directly to measurable gains, increased revenue, higher conversion rates, robust automated lead generation instead of operational time saving, right? It's harder to justify and harder to understand. And it requires minimal setup, right? The client only needs to provide a small amount of existing footage to train the avatar, whether it be like their products, if they're an e-commerce brand, or just like a video and audio training footage, if it's like a B2B or B2C company on a personal brand. So it's a very simple setup to start actually generating results and deliver value to clients. So here are 4 high value AI avatar products that you can sell right now. The first one is customized video outreach. What it does is essentially creating personalized videos for each prospect using their name, company, and paid points. You can scale this to hundreds of videos daily and integrate it with the CRM for automated follow-ups. For example, let's say that your client could be like a large SaaS company or software that is doing personalized outreach to a bunch of people through LinkedIn or cold email, and they're not getting the best conversion rates or reply rates. Instead, you can make an AI avatar that creates a custom 1-minute pitch for every single person that they outreach to. This skyrockets the conversion rate and generates them more revenue. You can do a setup fee to actually set up the AI avatar, and then you can do like a cost per booked call that you make, and then some sort of management fee. The pros is that it does have really high revenue potential and it's very clear ROI, right? You get paid per lead. So you give them better results, you will make more money. Cons is that it's saturated with existing SaaS tools and SDRs that are already doing it. And you need a bit of sales knowledge to actually be able to be credible. So you can't necessarily build a custom solution and justify paying for it. I mean, you can, but you could use existing SaaS tools that already do this and essentially act as a partner that implements that software for them. The second one is UGC avatars for marketing. What it does is essentially creating diverse avatar influencers for product reviews, testimonials, and educational videos. You want to rapidly A/B test creatives and maintain brand consistency where you don't have to go and hire 50 different creators. You can just generate one creator talking about, let's say, this essential oil, thing that I have in my room. I can have 20 different AI avatars that look different colors, sizes, ages, holding up the product, talking about it, and using it. The way the monetization works is it's video packages where you can do 30 videos for $3,000, or you can do a monthly retainer where it's like you build strategy for that month, and then they can use it for social media or paid ads or whatever. The thing is, the pro is that there's very less competition because it's a newer concept. And it's super easy to fulfill using existing tools like synthetic UGC, Sora, or ARC ads, right? Even Nano Banana's latest tool. There's so many tools out there that can generate these videos without you needing to know any coding. Just know a bit of prompting and be creative. The cons are that it's a bit harder to sell to traditional businesses. So results are harder to measure than direct sales. The third one is HR training videos and course material. What you do is convert boring training manuals to dynamic video content, right? Creating interactive scenarios, multi-language support, and essentially update content and keep it up to date and modern without reshooting and going to a studio, which costs way more for the client. The way you monetize is essentially just charge for the course creation. Let's say it's a 45 video course. I personally charge $15,000 for exactly that. Or you can do an annual contract where anytime a new video needs to be made or anytime an existing education needs to be updated, you are just on standby, ready to update that information using the AI tools. The pros of this is you're probably going to get the most stable outcome because it's course creation, right? You're literally making videos, you get paid for a certain amount of videos, or you do a long contract knowing that you're paid every single month. And the deliverables are very clear. You make a video and that is the end of the contract, right? You don't have to deliver results or ROI per se. The cons are that it's pretty boring. I feel bad for my team, but they did an incredible job building a course for one of my clients, but it's very boring. And it's mainly for corporate and enterprise, which is harder for beginners unless you have a strong network. And the fourth one, which is my favorite and what I primarily offer through my own agency, is social media marketing content. You clone a business owner or an influencer to create daily content without filming. You maintain an authentic voice and scale it across multiple platforms. The way you monetize is have a setup fee and then a $3,000 to $6,000 a month management retainer, or you do one-off video packages. The pros are that there's massive lifetime value with recurring revenue. It's super easy to sell because there's a massive industry demand, and you've probably seen content pop up that uses AI avatars on social media. So everyone is fighting to make sure they beat their competitors to it. And the thing is, the system sells itself when you're using it for your own marketing. Most of my clients came from my AI avatar content on social media on my personal brand. So the system pretty much sells itself. The cons is it requires a bit of marketing and copywriting skills, which can easily be replaced with AI anyway if you know how to prompt and use the right AI tools. And clients expect ongoing content rather than a build and release. So those are the pros and cons for all of these top 4 solutions, which I have personally built and sold, so I know that they work. Productization advantage is super important here. Each of these systems are essentially a productized service, right? It is one product that you're delivering as a service, which means you can copy paste over and over for every client. But if you're trying to sell N8N templates or packages, it is very custom, right? So your before would be custom quotes, hourly rates, endless scope discussions. Oh, can you add this feature? Can you do that? Oh, we just added a new software. Can you include this? It's so much BS that I've dealt with. I hope you can feel my emotions. Like, it is so much BS. And they just focus on cost. They're like, oh, that developer in India is way cheaper. Like, yeah, they're way cheaper. Go work with them. Like, it's not worth my time. But that is why I switched into the after, which is selling this productized service. It's a fixed package, clear value proposition, and premium pricing. The clients are focused on results and outcomes rather than cost. Sales calls have been much easier. I take one call, I say yes or no, tell me at the end of the call. They almost always say yes. I'm at like a 65 or 70% close rate right now. And the conversations are much more focused on results rather than collecting data to build a proposal and technical complexity. So way higher close rates. And I also can charge so much higher, right? I'm selling an outcome. I'm not selling time saving. So if I say that I'm going to make you 10 to 15,000 and you pay me 6,000, it's very clear ROI. So stop selling the engine and start selling the car. The market is shifting. And the market for these N8N workflow builders is getting more and more crowded and commoditized every single day. If you keep selling the technical process, you're just going to be stuck fighting for smaller margins against an army of freelancers from India that are way smarter. And I'm from India. I can say this. I'm not racist. Like, I'm just being completely honest. So instead, put a face on your workflow and sell a productized service, not a process. Focus on outcomes and ROI, not features, and command premium prices with clear value. How do you do all that? Stop selling N8N AI automations and start selling AI avatar solutions instead. Doesn't require any technical complexity or knowledge, doesn't require any complex coding skills. You can actually fulfill every client in 15 to 20 hours a week. And it also is a solution that actually delivers value to a client. You're not selling some nonsense that doesn't actually add value to a business. You're actually selling something that is immensely valuable and has massive industry demand for your client. So now you know exactly how to avoid this N8N AI automation nonsense and actually become a sought after AI consultant that delivers real value to real businesses. Now, if you're someone that wants to skip the trial and error of figuring it out yourself, click the first link in the description to apply for my one-on-one mentorship, where I break down exactly how to deliver these solutions, what tools to use, how to navigate and manage your own agency without burning out, and how to actually get clients consistently every single month. Because I'm actually still running my own agency and I can only take on 1 or 2 people by the end of this year. If you are a good fit, you'll be able to schedule a call with me where we're going to discuss your current situation, your goals, and what your future is going to look like if we work together. I'm pretty strict with who I work with because I'm not just throwing a course or program with you, but I'm actually sitting with you, hand-holding you through the entire process. So click the first link in the description to apply for my one-on-one mentorship. We'll see if you're a good fit, and I would love to work with you if it makes sense. And look, if you got value from this video anyway, please make sure to subscribe because I'm posting content every single week on how you can build and scale your AI avatar agency and hit 10K per month within 90 days. The new year is coming up. Don't wait until January 1st and take action today if you really care. But thank you for watching. And as always, take care.